Hello friends, so today I'm going to be showing you 5 of my most essential outfits. That's it. I'm just going to be showing you 5 outfits that are like a staple in my wardrobe. They are all going to be similar, I will tell you that. I have a very specific style and I go through phases where I like what I like and I don't really want to deviate from that. So again, these are all going to be similar. I get it. They're going to be similar, but they're also outfits that like they're staples, and if you haven't tried them yet, go ahead and try them. So let's just get into it. I will link everything that I can, but also, again, since these are kind of general outfit ideas, I hope you can take it for exactly that and just, use what you have in your wardrobe and come up with a cute outfit for yourself. Also, I know I'm gonna get questions. This is from Misguided. I don't think it's still available, but it's so cute and I just wanted to feel bougie. So with that being said, let's get into my first essential outfit. Outfit numero uno. Okay, so this outfit I have been wearing nonstop. I shit you not, nonstop. So it is just a muscle tee. I literally have this one, this white one. I have it in green. I have a gray muscle tee, and then I just made my Misfits t-shirt into a muscle tee. So I'm just really into muscle tees lately. And then cargo pants, a belt, and some combat boots. Super simple, really cute outfit. Very just kind of like rocker chic, like working the bar, just chill, edgy outfit. I love these cargo pants. They're really stretchy and comfortable. They do run small, which is really shitty, but they're from H&M, so like, what do you expect? And then these combat boots are, I don't even remember where they're from, but they're cheap knockoff Docs. So this outfit has been in heavy rotation in my life the past like 2 months. So this is my number one essential outfit. And I'm not like a big accessories gal. Usually I just keep it to like belt, maybe a pant chain if I'm feeling spicy, and then just some rings. That's kind of how I roll. So outfit number one, we love, hello, feeling cute. Oh god. Okay, let's get into number two. Okay, this next outfit is like my take on tiny shirt, big pants. So these are women's Dickies. I will say Dickies run kind of all over the place. I can wear some women's Dickies. I will try to link these down below. I got them from Zoomies. I'm 99% sure they're still available. So I will link them down below. I really like these ones, but some Dickies I just can't wear because they're just not like any sort of curve friendly. So, but these Dickies I love. I'm just wearing a tiny little gray ribbed tank top. I'm obsessed with tank tops. I am a tank top ass bitch. I love this, and these shirts are part of Forever 21's like new basics collection. So love the tank top. Again, tiny shirt, big pants. These pants aren't like the biggest, but they're just kind of like baggy, like skater style pants. And then I have black Converse with gray socks poking through to kind of pull in, the gray together, kind of give it like a little bit of a skater vibe. I don't know. I love all black Converse. I just think, I don't know, there's something about them that just, ugh. And then a beanie. I have my hair back a little bit. I always, whenever I wear my hair in a beanie, I always just put it back like this. I don't know. I just think it's cute and it's more comfy. I hate like hair pressed to my neck. So I just toss it back. And yeah, this outfit again is one, well, all of these are in my heavy rotation. So just slightly bigger. Again, outfits are similar, but that's okay because they're my favorite outfits. And I have a problem stepping outside my comfort zone. Let's get into outfit number three. Okay, this outfit is like my essential going out outfit. Well, when we can go out, I'm gonna wear this outfit all the time, and when I used to go out, I would wear outfits like this all the time. So this is just cropped band tee, black skinny jeans, and chunky boots. These are from Dolls Kill that I ordered a long time ago before I realized how problematic they were, but you can also shop on Lamoda, and they have very similar ones, and from what I understand, they're not problematic. So, but just any chunky boot, skinny jeans, and just like band tee, just I feel unstoppable in outfits like these. Like outfits like these make 14-year-old me proud of myself. You know what I mean? That just simple, clean, edgy outfit. Boom, boom. I also wear like this outfit with normal combat boots or with Vans if I want to like dress it down to work all the time. And you can literally change this with any band tee. So yeah. Also, if you like don't like the crop, you could just tuck in a regular band tee. Yeah, it's essential. It's one of my favorites. I mean, this outfit kind of speaks for itself, I feel like, you know? This is just like classic, like rocker chic kind of look. Let's get into outfit 4. Okay, next essential outfit. This outfit, I believe, is truly essential. The light wash mom jeans and a white tank top, a white ribbed tank top. My wardrobe will never be without this outfit. Light wash mom jeans, white tank top. There's just something about like a clean white tank top that I just love so much, especially like with nice bright mom jeans. You could pair this with like checkerboard slip-ons. That would be really cute. I paired it with some tennis shoes just to give it, I don't know, kind of like hot dad outfit. I don't know. And then I paired it with just a bright beanie to bring like kind of a pop of color. This is like very much so like spring kitty snack outfit. I love this outfit. Again, this is one that I truly believe is essential for everybody to have. A little white tank top and some cute mom jeans. These are from Forever 21 and these are Fila sneakers. This hat is from Neff. But yeah, it's just simple, clean, perfect, minimal accessories. You could accessory this up with like necklaces, belt, whatever, pant chain. But I just love how simple it is, honestly. I wear this outfit all the time. It is essential. I realize the irony. I'm just now realizing the irony that I'm calling this video like essential during COVID. But, you know, I didn't mean to. It's just these are truly my essential outfits. They never stop working even during a pandemic, okay? Okay, outfit number 5. Last outfit. This is one I feel so cute in. So we have just some like high-rise, high-waisted shorts, you know, just chilling. Oversized hoodie. Oversized is key here. Oversized hoodie. Got a little cuffs rolled, everything, a little matching beanie situation. And then some white socks with white Vans, white high tops. Whatever brand of white high top is fine, but white high tops with white high socks. It's just like a little sporty, lazy. It's also weather confused. If you live in climates similar to where I live, I feel like you will understand those days where like this outfit is appropriate. Like it's warm sometimes, but it's also chilly enough to where you're not gonna die in like high socks and this. Like where I live, it is pretty much like 60 and cold or 60 and warm year round. So outfits like this are like essential. Weird. This outfit, I feel so cute in it. I think it's just, again, simple, easy, cute. It's one of those outfits where like it looks like, I don't know, it's like thrown together, but like you still look put together, like effortless, even though we put effort, queen. So yeah, that's it. That's it. Those are 5 of my most essential outfits, genuine outfits that I wear all the time, that I just love. Again, no groundbreaking outfits here, but they're fun. If you haven't tried them yet, if you don't have these staples in your collection, go out and get them. And the thing that I love about these outfits is it does not matter like the price point. Like you don't need to have a $60 Thrasher hoodie. I just get a discount on it, so I have it. You don't need expensive jeans. You don't need an expensive t-shirt. Like you can make these outfits from the thrift store. You can make these outfits from Walmart. You can make these outfits wherever you shop. You can make these outfits. So that's why I like them. So anyways, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was kind of just like a spur of the moment idea video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.